production process, but also ensures optimal quality and preservation of the product, every step from decoration to exploitation. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green color, and refreshing sweet taste, kiwi is not only a delicious fruit, but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity, but also ensures high quality of the final product. Process of washing and polishing apples after picking at the factory. The steps are carried out scientifically, ensuring food hygiene and safety. The use of modern equipment and strictly controlled processes helps remove dirt, bacteria, and... Are you having trouble stripping the paints off your car? Try this method. No mistakes, no delays, just the 3 forklift pros in perfect sync. She has found the fastest way to cut a huge sack of soil. By tying the rope at both ends, the broom can easily move on a wide surface. Her quick POS machine skills are a strength. So this is how the brick textures are created. Maybe I should inspect my wall as well. A masterful pair of hands is needed to carve the designs on the ceramic vessel. Perfectly placed bricks without a scratch. easily removing oil from a clam tank. Precision and skill run full display as this guy operated heavy machinery. A craftsman's secret to create a wooden look for your ceiling. When you want to be an artist but end up being a construction worker.
The image of a sharp blade working hard to cut large pieces of meat is a symbol of professionalism and efficiency in the food processing process. Each stroke of the blade is a precise and powerful strike, creating pieces of meat that are perfect in size and shape. With the sharpness of the blade, each slice of meat is done smoothly and easily, creating beautiful and even large pieces of meat. Let this image make you feel understanding and respect for the craftsmanship and talent of the butchers who work hard to bring you the most delicious and quality cuts of meat. Meatballs, one of many people's favorite dishes, will captivate your taste buds with just one look. Looking at the regular and smooth meatballs, you can't help but marvel at the sophistication of the preparation process. Behind the meatballs is the effort and skill of the cooks, who turn simple ingredients into an attractive culinary masterpiece. Do you love the taste of sausage? Looking at the hot sausages, you can't help but be attracted by their attractive colors and shapes. This is not just a piece of food, but also a work of art, created from the thoroughness and sophistication of the processing process. The fragrant aroma of sausage makes you unable to help, but want to enjoy it immediately. Each piece of sausage is a perfect combination of rich flavors of meat and spices, creating a culinary experience full of variety and appeal. Sausages are not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of harmony and satisfaction in every meal. Minced meat is not only a basic ingredient in cooking, but also the basis for countless delicious and diverse dishes around the world. From rich sausages to delicious hamburgers, minced meat plays an indispensable role in every family's kitchen. With its softness and smoothness, minced meat opens up space for creativity and freedom in preparation. Sausage processing line is not only a production process, but also a creative, artistic, and technical journey. Looking at the sausage processing line, you will be impressed by the complete automation and precision in every step. Each processing step is performed with sophistication and thoroughness.